Ground-mounted solar arrays are typically installed on flat, open fields. The Soeasy Basic Type Solar Ground Bracket Type A is an affordable, simple, installed structure that reduces the cost of the entire bracket system. As long as climate conditions permit, this is the most economical choice for photovoltaic plants. Soeasy Photovoltaic Solar Ground Mounting System A-Type is a fully customizable and standardized solution specifically designed for mounting solar modules without making any major changes to the ground terrain. The system's versatile design compensates for the size inaccuracy introduced during installation, ensuring increased stability and aesthetic appeal. It can accommodate both framed and unframed modules, arranged in different configurations and designed for mounting on the ground or open land using ground screws and concrete foundations. High-quality, pre-assembled design of the system components at our factory facilitates easy and quick installation at the project site. Also, this greatly improves the installation efficiency while also reducing the time and cost of installation. Use of lightweight aluminium allows for easy transport and installation of the system. The system components are made of corrosion-resistant aluminium alloy and high-grade stainless steel that provides greater stability and protection against harsh weather conditions. Our product has been used in various high-capacity solar projects around the world, including the 67 megawatt photovoltaic power plant project in Cambodia. Soeasy Photovoltaic is a high-tech enterprise that specialised in the research and development, manufacturing and sales of solar mounting solutions for ground, flat and pitched roofs, carports and floating applications. Our experienced technical staff can provide professional support and guidance for the customisation and design of mounting system components for larger projects to ensure a trouble-free installation. Our company is built on providing excellent customer service, and we will ensure that high-quality products are available to our customers.